Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today I'm going to show you guys this is a iPhone case, and it's supposed to fit onto my iPhone Pro 14. This one here is obviously not for me since it's very feminine, but it's cool. I'm going to show you guys how it fits, and we'll give it a shot. So let's see if I can turn this video around. I don't know how to do that. Might have to restart it again, facing the other way, facing the mirror. Let me do that. Okie doke, so here we go. We have it here. I'm just taking it out of the box. Facing the mirror so you guys can see it, and this is what it looks like here. Oh, here's the package if it means anything to anybody. I guess this is by, I don't know if it's gonna focus, compatible, whatever. So I mean, that's the case. So let's see, so let's check this out and try it on the phone. So here we go. We'll take the styrofoam off. This is really hard to do with one hand. But there we go, so we got it off, and now you can watch what I'm doing here with the phone. I don't know what I'm doing, but okay, so let's kind of put this new case on here. So let's see if we push it on there. So see what's cool about this one here, if you look at it there, it's got the places for all the little, it's got a cutout for each of the cameras versus this one here. So it does have a little bit of protection around it all. So that's kind of cool. And then it does have your MagSafe ring on it, so you can still charge it that way, which is very cool. And it's kind of a nice looking phone, so a nice looking case. So this is what it looks like here. Kind of cool. And you can see it's got the buttons on the side. I'll push a button, see if it, oh, that stopped and started it. But okay, so there we go. So the buttons do work on the side, so it seems pretty cool. And on the side, I don't know if you can see here, I'm gonna take it off for a second again, so bear with me. On the edges, so on that edge, it doesn't have anything. On this edge here, it's got some little hearts and stuff. So it says nice. So it's very cool. Nice little case. So thumbs up for me. Okay, and I'll put a link to this in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.